Thank you very much indeed. And I want to start by congratulating the work that your team T is doing. And I want to say that we are indeed honored to be here and that you continue doing this work through all the areas where you are going and where you have already gone through, and keep up the good work. It is important, particularly for the people and for government, for people to know what is happening in the space where we are right now. Yes, the business economy in this space of the township and the rural areas, I must add that also, is that's where the people are. And these are the people who start at a very low space and need to be assisted to grow to the medium and the larger business people who are needed by the country's economy, because largely small businesses are adding to the economy of this country, which must be strengthened at all times. Thank you very much.